super easy craft, you only need watercolors, salt, and glue.
The watercolors we made were out of food coloring.
You can do this on any size canvas, and we painted ours black so you could really see the colors pop. Just as a tip, it's better to draw your design out first before you start.
And if you're new to our show,
hi, I'm Riley.
I'm Reese.
And I'm Grace. Make sure you like, share,
and subscribe.
For more videos in the future, make sure to hit that notification bell. Now on to the video.
And the things you'll be needing to make salt paintings are fine salt.
We tried it with the chunky salt, but the colors didn't blend into the salt as well.
Glue, a canvas,
any size of your choice,
food coloring, paint brushes, and water. So let's get started.
All right, so the first step is to draw a design on your canvas. Riley has already drawn a pug face on hers with pencil, and Grace and I have got these mini canvases with designs already on them from Five Below. It's a lot easier to trace your design first and then go over it. The next step is to take your glue bottle and just go over your outline, trace over your design.
And if you don't do this step, then you basically didn't do anything, and it's
And then when you're done with your outline, you can take your salt and just pour it over the glue areas. All right, and then you're just going to let that sit for a few minutes and let the salt soak into the glue.
While this is drying, we're going to make our own watercolors. The next step is to put your food coloring in your water.
We're using bottle caps for our holders.
Alright guys, so I'm a bit nervous about mine because I feel like the glue kind of spreaded because it was a very tiny painting with a lot of designs, but we'll see. Oh, it looks pretty good. We're using a thick paintbrush because a thick paintbrush works a lot better than a thin one. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye. A food coloring.
What do you want?
Those unicorns.
I'm sorry, you have to offer something better.
Red dragon and my too.
No, I don't like dragons. Golden dragon.
No, I don't have a ride dragon or a fly ride kind, but
You can do the smiley face.
I really want the two unicorns that Riley got wearing diapers. And she's not even going to play with them. Mom, may I say something? Mom, may I show something? Mom, may I show something? These are the unicorns that I really want. As you can see, they both have little stars on their diapers, and I've offered a lot for them. I don't know what else I can do. I really want to Okay, what color did you get them in?
The blue.
We can go to the river at 1 o'clock, so we go early. I can go to the store and get a bunch of unicorns.
We're going to make our own watercolors. Hola, soy Dora. See you in a bit.